Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to follow someone on Goodreads. First up, go ahead and go to the Friends section right here at the top right. Just click on it. Now go ahead and click on Add Some or Find by Name or Email in the section. Just click on it and type down the name. For example, William. All right. We're going to hit on Search Members. Wait for it to load as it may take some time. And as you can see here we have the list of members that is named William. All right. Now you can go ahead and click on a profile right here. For example, this one. All right. As you can see here we have the follow option. Now, if you add this person, you're automatically a follower. Okay. Now, if you want to follow a publisher, just go ahead and go to home right here. Now go ahead and click on search books. For example, Robert Kiyosaki, like that. Now click on the book itself. Now you can go ahead and scroll down, and here we have the author, and click on follow. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.